This is M&S party.
It looks like a bush tucker trial. Either great, a revelation, or they're going to be what the hell.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Cheers.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new Christmas video. Today's video is the next episode in my long-running supermarket Christmas food taste testing series. In today's video we are going to be taste testing all of M&S's Christmas food. So I picked up a range of M&S food which I did show you a few hours ago in a little dedicated food haul on my channel, and in today's video we're actually going to be taste testing it. We're going to be scoring it out of 10. I'm going to be recommending what you should and should not be buying from M&S Christmas range this year. I'm so excited. If this is the first video you are watching on my channel, hello, welcome, come in, sit down. You might be a little bit confused, but at the moment I'm running a long-running series where I'm taste testing all of the Christmas food you can buy this year, Christmas 2019, in your local supermarkets. I've done Aldi, Lidl, Tesco, Morrison's, Asda, and now we're doing M&S. In my opinion, M&S is like good at Christmas. It always has been. It's always been a treat to go to M&S at Christmas growing up. I like the look of some of the stuff they've got in this year and I'm so excited to taste test it. Let's not even ramble on. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. So I would subscribe if I was you and join the best community here on YouTube. Grab your festive drinks. Let's go get ready to taste some M&S Christmas food. It's breakfast time.
All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
Okay, so if you have watched my food haul, you will know for breakfast we are having the M&S I'm a Trifle Tasty cereal. So essentially, apparently it's cereal that tastes like trifle. I was actually looking at what's in it and it has custard flavoured oat clusters, strawberry jelly pieces, white chocolate chunks, we don't like white chocolate here, yogurt flavoured coated cornflakes,
Nice.
sponge cake pieces and freeze dried raspberries. It's got everything literally a trifle has. It looks okay, to be fair. I've gone with almond milk with mine. Lawrence has normal organic milk. No, don't put that milk near mine. So much more like a trifle than I thought it would be.
It does have that trifle vibe. It does.
It's quite nice. It's like naturally sweet. It's not like faux sweet, if you know what I mean.
It's nice. It's a nice treat. I don't think we'd go out of our way to get it.
If you like strawberry raspberry type flavoured things and if you like trifle, I recommend it. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10.
Wow, that's high.
Well, yeah, because it is what it says it is, which is trifle flavoured cereal.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I'll go 7 out of 10, but I would agree with everything you said.
Yeah. Cool.
Done.
Tap my face. Did you go to sneeze then?
No.
Okay, it's lunchtime now and we have our sandwiches. I have my smoked salmon and cream cheese sandwich, which I'm so excited about. Lawrence has his monster sandwich. It's called the 3-bird roast sandwich. Roast turkey and stuffing, roast chicken and dinner. Roast chicken dinner.
Roast chicken dinner.
Duck and plum chutney. Yum, yum, yum. How
Yum,
exciting. Yum. I suppose give us a really quick brief of what you think of each one.
And then I'll give you an overall
and then
rating.
give us an overall. But I remembered, this sandwich is absolutely delicious. The salmon and cream cheese. I like salmon, I highly recommend it. It's a really mild, nice salmon. The cheese is lovely. It has loads of black pepper in. It's just a really nice sandwich. I absolutely love the bread as well. It's not the cheapest, but then when I'm buying like fish and meat, for me, buying cheap isn't necessarily what I want. For a shop bought sandwich, it's a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
9 out of 10.
That's good. And on to my second one. Had the duck first. That was really nice. So this is the roast chicken dinner. It's got all the root vegetables in it. So
What's it
roast
like?
chicken dinner one is really nice because the root vegetables they've made into a sort of like a wintry coleslaw.
Oh, okay.
Really nice. This is the last one, the turkey, bit of stuffing and cranberry sauce. I'm not normally a big fan of shop bought sandwiches. They never taste as good as a homemade one, do they? I'd say this selection, they are pricey.
Nice.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, that's good. And
Yeah.
mine got a 9 out of 10. On the sandwich front, M&S is top of the range for me personally. It always has been, and I really think it always will be. It's fizz time.
I think it's definitely Bucks this time.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
Smell good?
Oh, it smells really festive.
Oh, it does, yeah. It smells really good.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, pink Bucks fizz, guys.
It's like
Forget
a kind
the
of,
pink
oh,
gin.
but it's like a really nice pink. It's like a
Pink lemonade. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Cheers.
Christmas. Cheers.
Mmm.
I like that.
I like that.
That's good.
That is really nice, isn't it? Oh my gosh, that is going to be
a
our
fest.
drink.
That's good.
choice.
That's really nice. I like that.
That is delicious. And it's on offer, guys, at the moment.
It is on offer.
£4. I'm giving that a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
For a shop bought Bucks Fizz,
Can't go wrong.
can't go wrong. That's a lot better
10 out
than
of 10.
I've ever tasted. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out, what a good start to our Christmas dinner. So we have our Christmas dinner in front of us. We have a range of different things. I don't know what to start with, but
Pizzas.
mini pizzas are literally begging me to eat them. So let's start with the mini pizza. I'm obviously going to have a margarita because I don't eat pork. Lawrence can have pepperoni.
And these look great, by the way.
For mini pizzas, I've actually never seen them look so good. They've got to taste nice though.
Fingers crossed.
How much were they? £5? I liked it. I do think it was really nice. It needs a little bit more on top. I feel like it's like 99% bread and then 1% stuff on top.
But then, if you go for the margarita, what do you expect? That pepperoni, I'm not joking, that's the best pepperoni small pizza, mini
Really?
pizza I've ever had. Mini pizzas normally waste of time, they don't taste as good as the real thing. They literally...
look good though. As far as mini pizzas go, it's probably the best mini pizza I've had ever.
Same here.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Yep.
What do you give it?
I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 too. Honestly, I think it's great.
I think
really,
they're
really good.
Good. I really, oh my gosh. Shall we try a little...
Vol-au-vent.
Got to admit, the salmon ones look a bit grim.
It looks like a bush tucker trial.
It looks like a bush tucker trial. So we're going to start with the cheese and mozzarella. Go.
Yeah, tomato's good.
Tomato one is good. Salmon one.
It's like a sandwich.
It is.
Yeah.
Tastes like the M&S sandwich. I like that. What's the other one?
Mushroom and salmon.
Bacon. I don't want that.
Hey, I had a salmon.
Okay, the third one we're tasting is the bacon and mushroom. If you don't know, I don't eat pork, but
It's
for the
Christmas.
sake of Christmas, I will try
For
it.
science.
For science.
It's more mushroomy than anything.
Can't taste the bacon.
No.
Can you?
The bacon's literally just providing a little bit of salt and texture. Much better to taste than to look at. They are a bit disappointing to look at, I think.
For what it is, I think that's really good. I'm going to give them a 9 out of 10 and I recommend them.
Okay, I'm less keen. I'm going to give them a 7. They're not my cup of tea. But
I think for a shop bought vol-au-vent, all three had really nice flavour.
I'm not going to disagree with you. Yeah.
But they're not your cup of tea.
They're not
that's
my cup
fine.
of tea.
Right, let's just do a quiche. I'm going to try the cheese and onion quiche. You're going to try the quiche Lorraine.
I am.
Why is it called Lorraine? Is it
No idea.
after someone called Lorraine?
What?
It's alright. The Aldi do this really nice cheese and onion quiche, and that's I really like that one. But this is a bit cheesy for me.
Really?
Yeah, do you want that?
Yeah. The quiche Lorraine's really good. I've not had it for such a long time, but it's nice. It's got that cheesy, got the salty, got a bit of smoky. It has got quite a lot of cheese in it.
Yeah, it's
So-
quite cheesy.
If you like cheesy quiche.
If you like cheesy quiche, give them a 7 out of 10.
Yep, I'd agree with that.
They're
7 out of
okay.
10.
You can go to Aldi and get a huge quiche for literally a third of the price. The next thing we are trying in our M&S party food is the hot and spicy chicken bites that comes with like a spicy tomato relish mayonnaise thing.
Yeah, with the smoked chilli in it.
So let's go. Smells good. That's actually really nice.
For like,
Quite spicy.
it is quite spicy. It's got 3 little chilies on it. Uncooked breaded chicken or
Really
fried chicken. That is really good.
I'd give that a strong 9.
No argument.
The chicken's really good quality. The breadcrumbs and like the batter, very nice. A lot has gone into that, a lot of seasoning.
A lot of effort.
A lot of effort, a lot of flavour. That was
And it's real bits of chicken. Real bits of chicken.
Okay, we're a budget friendly channel. We like to live our best lives on a budget. I have to admit, M&S does do Christmas quite well. They do.
If you can't push the boat out at Christmas, I
When
suppose.
can you? It is Christmas snack time and we have got some good ones. Milk chocolate and Prosecco caramels, salted caramel tortilla rolls.
Sound really interesting. Rolls.
So let's go with the Prosecco chocolate first.
Yeah, okay.
M&S is quite good at like their own kind of like bags of sweets. Cookie dough bites, don't you? And like,
Oh yeah, those little tubs.
yeah. Smells good actually.
It does, smells alright, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's like one of those, what are they, like cherry liqueur?
Oh, there's a bit of that about them, yeah.
It does taste like that. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
The chocolate's quite nice.
The chocolate's nice. I don't really like caramels, and they're supposed to be Prosecco. I can't taste the Prosecco.
Yeah, true.
I giving them a
Ooh!
6.
They're okay for what they are. Right, salted caramel tortilla rolls. That just smells so odd.
I think they could be quite nice.
Oh, actually, it's got chocolate on the tortilla.
Yeah, but they're also salted. They're going to be one or the other.
They're
going to be either great, a revelation, or they're going to be what the hell.
Ready?
All right, cheers.
Oh my god, I kind of like it.
They're good.
They're
good.
Honestly so weird.
It's weird, but
It's
God,
so weird, but I like it. I feel like this would be the best cinema snack.
it would be a great cinema.
Yeah, it's such a good like. I fancy a snack, but I don't know what I want. I actually quite like them,
I really like
but
that.
they're so weird.
They're getting bonus points for me for being a bit out
Yeah, obviously it's not something you can compare, and we haven't had anything like this before. But I'm giving them a 10 out of 10.
there. Wow.
Because I like the flavour, the taste is nice. They're a bit different, they're a bit unique.
Reality is they are good and they are delicious and it does work.
Yeah.
So it's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. It is pudding time. And I'm excited.
Yeah.
I normally, for M&S, I do get puddings from there around Christmas time. They're salted caramel profiteroles. They're a 10 out of 10. They're an 11 out of 10. But at the moment, they're not currently in stock. If you do see them in your Marks and Spencer's, get them. But we can't try those, so we've gone for like kind of picky desserts, like
Party desserts.
Yeah, party desserts.
That's what we've gone for.
I think
Party
they look
food,
really
party
nice.
desserts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have our brownie bites and our chocolate tarts.
Well, they're like millionaires.
Custard tarts.
Yeah, they've kind of got caramel and salted caramel and chocolate, and they are definitely a Sophie thing.
We go for this one
Yeah,
first.
go on,
then?
let's get it out of the way.
Okay.
Basically buttercream in pastry.
Yeah, it does taste like Millionaire. I think that's really nice. Quite big. Like, I know it doesn't look big on camera, but because it's got so much richness in it, for me, I can't eat that whole thing. I don't know, I've seen nicer things in Aldi for like £1 and you get a bit more for your money. But that's not bad. I'm not saying that's bad. I'd give that a 7 out of 10. A strong 7. A higher 7.
Go with that. They're really sweet.
The brownie bites, I think, look really good.
They look like they should be good.
Well, let's hope, because they're not cheap. Good, but let me tell you something. The Co-op do freshly baked brownie bites. There's 20 in a little paper bag. They're £1. The exact same.
Really?
Exact same. That the only brownie bites I like are from the Co-op, and the exact same flavour. They are really good. I really like them.
Okay.
But what is the point in spending £3.50 when I can go to the Co-op, get more in a paper bag for £1?
Fresh.
For flavour, I would give them a 9 out of 10. But for price and the fact that I could go to the Co-op, I will give them a 7 out of 10. But the flavour is like a 9/10 out of 10.
I'd 7 out of 10 for everything. They're good. They're good. They're not £3.50 good. but they are good.
Okay guys, let me know down below if you shop at M&S for any of your Christmas food, and if you're going to buy anything based on this video from M&S. I would love to know if it's actually helped anyone. Thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you for your amazing positivity. I'm absolutely loving filming these Christmassy videos for you. You know I love a bit of food, and you guys clearly love your food as well, which is what I like. We are all like-minded people. I love you guys so much. I will see you again very soon for probably another Christmas food video. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.
Ye faithful, joyful and triumphant, come